Guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome everyone to Everyday English. Before we get started, I would like everyone to um, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated on any further um, further courses that I post. And I also have the book that we are studying right now in the description of the video down below. So please go down and like that video, okay? And let's get started. Today, we are going to be talking about a good job, okay? What is a good job? Okay, let's just think about what would be a good job. All right, it depends on what you label is good work. What would be something good to do? All right. Me personally, I think a good job would be being a police officer, being a nurse, especially in the time now, okay, because we have a lot of sick people with the coronavirus. Now would be a really good time to be a doctor or a policeman or anything in that field. All right. But me, what I considered my whole life would be a good job would be a football player or a baseball player or um, an agent, a lawyer, because you make a lot of money and you have fun doing these things, right? Okay, so let's get started. The starter of this lesson is what are the jobs of the people in your family? Okay, for an example, my father is a doctor. My mother is a cashier. My brother is a teacher. Okay. Present simple. Present simple. We're going to skip this right now because there is CDs, and the CD would not work right now. I just tested it, and it will not work. It will not listen. We cannot hear it physically through the video. All right, so we're going to skip down to number 5 here. Complete the chart about Andrew and Claudia. We're going to work with only Andrew right now. All right, and this is Andrew's information here. Okay, this is Andrew here. Andrew Johnson. Okay, what is Andrew Johnson's surname? Okay, what did we say the surname was? Okay, his surname is Johnson. The surname is the family name. The surname is the last name. All right. What is his age? What is Andrew's age? He's 30. What country is he from? He is from New Zealand. What is his job? What is his job? He works on an oil rig. He works on the oil rig. And his salary? Ooh, 200 pounds a day. What is his job? Okay. And is he married? He isn't married. Oh, forgot one. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. All right. So, in his free time, okay, so he has a little bit of free time, right? Great, great. If you have any questions about what I just explained or what we just did, please ask me in your question in the comments below. Okay, guys, let's keep going. We cannot stop. All right, grammar and punctuation. Grammar and punctuation. Positive is, because he is one person and is single, okay? Okay, all right. Negative. How do we change something to negative? We add not, or we form the contraction isn't. Okay? So, he is in Scotland. Negative. He is not in New Zealand. Question. Where is he at? Where is he at? Because it says in Scotland. Or where is he now? In Scotland. All right. Any question? Again, guys, if you have questions, please post them down below. And we will get to them as quickly as I can. All right. So let's continue. All right. Look at the dancer. Look at the photos of Darcy, Bustle, and David Guetta. Do you know them? I do not know them. Me personally, I do not know them. Okay, so it gives a brief description about who they are, what kind of work they do, where they're from. Okay, so Darcy Bustle is a ballet dancer. Okay, her job is a dancer and a model. Her country is London, England. Now, her home now is Australia. Place of work, mainly London and Sydney. Languages is English and a little French. She's married to a banker, and they have 2 daughters, Phoebe and Zoe. Cool. And then David Guetta. I don't know who this guy is. Seems like he's a DJ though. All right. How do you ask questions? How do you ask questions about these people? What does Darcy do? Where does she live now? Does he speak French? What is her children's name? What are, okay? Because there's children, okay? We're going to use are because children's. Okay, what are her children's name? Okay, everyone understand? All right. Talking about family and friends. Talking about family and friends. These are all going to be verbs we're using here. All right, all verbs. Okay, the correct form. We're going to use the correct form. My husband comes from Belgium. The present form, come. My grandmother lives now in the next town. My mother loves reading. My father travels. Okay. Present simple, guys. Present simple. This is all present simple. All right. Does anyone have any questions about this here? Okay. Does anyone have any question? My sister speaks Spanish very well. She wants to learn French too. Okay. Something they do, guys. So all we do to the verb is add an S. In present simple, all we do to the verb is add S. Okay, just like number 6. My brother, my little brother watches TV a lot. My friend Tom writes a blog on the internet. Okay? Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay. All right. Let's see what page we are. Okay. All right, guys. Do we have any questions about the current page here? All right. Write the name of a friend or relative and ask and answer questions with your partner. Okay. I'm going to use my brother. Okay. Who is, okay, is she. Okay, we're using she. Okay. My sister. Okay. Who is she? My sister. What does she do? She stays at home. She is a stay-at-home mother. Where does she live? In Iowa. That is America. What does she like doing? She likes cooking. Okay? All of these things, all of the verbs, you add S because this is present simple. Okay? Guys, please download the book down below and work the answers as we go along. Okay? I want to thank everyone for watching this video so far, and please stay up to date for the next uploaded video. We will continue here in the next video. Okay, guys? So thank you again and have a great day.